So now that we reviewed symmetry, we're going to make a butterfly that's symmetrical. And remember, that means it's the same on both sides. So whatever I have on this side, I have on this side. Even my colors and my shapes are the same. Now I did a butterfly similar to the one we saw yesterday in the Very Hungry Caterpillar. So I want you to get a piece of paper. And I would suggest you start with a pencil. I'm going to start with a pen so you can see it, but that means I can't fix my mistakes very well. So hold your paper horizontally. Remember, horizontally is side to side. We also call that landscape. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a circle in the center for your butterfly's head. Now let's draw his body. So go down and come back up. Go down and around. Now your butterfly has 2 antennae. So 1, 2. Also 2 eyes. And remember, in art, big is better. We want to fill up this page. Now, with my wings, I did 3 sections on each side because that's what Earl Carl did yesterday in the book. 2 days ago in the book that we watched. So now I want you to do, from here, we're going to go out, around, and back. Now this is the tricky part because after we do one over here, we want to try to match it over here. So we kind of want to make it be the same size. So go around and come back. And that's kind of similar, so we'll go with that. It'll be symmetrical. Then we're going to make this one go up, and it can end in here. So take one, go up, and end in here. Now we're going to do 2 more, 1 more on each side. So down here, we're going to go down, around, and back. Down, around, and back. So we have 3 on each side. So that's the beginning of our symmetry. But now we want to make sure even the designs on the wings are symmetrical. So any dots or teardrops we put on this side, we want to make sure we put on this side. Now yours don't have to be the same as mine. They could be, but they don't have to. I started with 4 circles. I'm going to do 5 on this one. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So whatever you do on this side, you have to do on this side. Then I'm going to do a big teardrop. And remember, yours don't have to be the same as mine. It just has to be symmetrical, the same on both sides. Now, what else do we want to add? And I'm just going to go back and forth. Whatever's on one side goes on the other side. And there's my butterfly. Now I can't wait to see what your butterfly looks like. And then we're going to color them in. And when we color them in, again, we have to do them the same. Where you put green, you have to put green. Where you put pink, you put pink. Keep everything symmetrical. And you need to use at least 5 colors in your butterfly. You could use more, I use more, but you need to use at least 5 colors in that beautiful butterfly. And if you're finished, then you could add some background to your butterfly. Where does your butterfly live? What kind of environment does your butterfly live in? So I can't wait to see your butterflies.